determiners MCQs. Our first question is, dash of the two sisters is married. Options are A, both, B, every, C, each, D, any. Correct answer is option C, each. Each of the two sisters is married. Question number 2 is, dash of you should attend the conference. A, both, B, each, C, every, D, many. Correct answer is option A, that is both. Both of you should attend the conference. तुम दोनों को ही कॉन्फ्रेंस अटेंड करनी चाहिए. Question number 3 is, we should inform dash of them. A, many, B, every, C, few, D, all. Correct answer is option D, that is all. We should inform all of them. Okay. Question number 4 is, they have spent dash for their son's wedding. A, many, B, enough, C, all, D, the little. Correct answer is option B, enough. They have spent enough for their son's wedding. Question number 5 is, dash of the candidates pass this exam. A, enough, B, fewer, C, either, D, most. Correct answer is option D, most of the candidates pass this exam. Question number 6 is, dash of the deadlines is met. A, neither, B, no, C, none, D, much. Correct answer is option A, neither of the deadlines is met. मैंने क्लास में भी आपको बता दिया था, नेदर जो है वो नेगेटिव का सेंस ही देता है, हमें नोट लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं रहती. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज़, कैन आई बोरो डैश शुगर. ए, मच, बी, सम, सी, अ लिटल, डी, अ फ्यू. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज सम. कैन आई बोरो सम शुगर. सम का देखो, इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस में हमने सम का यूज़ किया है क्योंकि यहाँ पर रिक्वेस्ट है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 इज, विद दिस यू हैव लॉस्ट चांस दैट यू हैड. ऑप्शंस आर अ लिटल, लिटल, द लिटल, स्लाइट. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, द लिटल. फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ मैं आपको ये. विद दिस, इसके साथ ही, यू हैव लॉस्ट द लिटिल चांस दैट यू हैड. तुमने वो चांस खो दिया, वो थोड़ा सा चांस जो कि तुम्हारे पास था वो तुमने खो दिया, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पर द लिटिल का यूज़ किया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 इज, डैश पार्टिसिपेंट्स लेफ्ट द मीटिंग इन बिटवीन. ए, सेवरल, बी, मच, सी, द फ्यू, डी, लिटिल. Correct answer is option A, several participants left the meeting in between. बहुत से participants ने बीच में ही मीटिंग छोड़ दी. Question number 10 is, it seems that they would need dash workers for the constructions. ऐसा लगता है कि उन्हें ज़रूरत है workers for the construction, निर्माण कार्य के लिए वर्कर्स की. कितने वर्कर्स की? A, लिटिल वर्कर्स की, बी, एदर वर्कर्स की, सी, मोर वर्कर्स की, डी, सम वर्कर्स की. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, मोर वर्कर्स की. उन्हें और अधिक वर्कर्स की ज़रूरत है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 इज, डैश मैन दैट वी सो टर्न आउट टू बी अ थीफ. वह आदमी जो हमने देखा था वो चोर बन गया. डैश ए, बी. ऑप्शन ए इज ए, B, the, C, that, D, this. Correct answer is option B, yes. The man that we saw turned out to be a thief. यहाँ पर हमने स्पेसिफिक एक आदमी की बात की है, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पर द का यूज़ किया है. Question number 12 is can dash help me? A. Many. Can many help me? B. Can nobody help me? C. Can everybody help me? D. Can somebody help me? Correct answer is option D. Can somebody help me? Question number 13 is he should work dash and take a break. A. Less. B. Little. C. A little. D. More. Correct answer is option A. Less. I explain you. He should work less and take a break. Question number 14 is he told me that dash blue was her favorite color. A. A blue was her favorite color. B. The blue was her favorite color. C. This blue was her favorite color. D. None of the above. Correct answer is option D. None of the above. कलर के नाम के आगे हम कोई भी आर्टिकल नहीं लगाते. ओके. Question number 15 is you can pick dash of 2. A. Many of 2. B. More of 2. C. Either of 2. D. Some of 2. Correct answer is option C. You can pick either of 2. आप ले सकते हो either of 2, दोनों में से कोई भी. Question number 16 is dash those students were punished. A. All those students were punished. B. Much those students were punished. C. Enough those students were punished. D. Some those students were punished. Correct answer is option A. All those students were punished. वो सारे स्टूडेंट्स उन्हें सज़ा मिली थी, पनिश्ड किया गया था. ऑल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 इज देयर इजंट डैश कैश लेफ्ट विद अस. ए. सम कैश. बी. मैनी कैश. सी. मोर कैश. डी. मच कैश. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज मच. देयर इजंट मच कैश लेफ्ट विद अस. Question number 18 is despite looking for her dash I couldn't find her. A. Somewhere. B. Anywhere. C. Everywhere. D. Nowhere. Correct answer is option C. Everywhere. Despite looking for her everywhere. हर तरफ everywhere देखने के बाद भी I couldn't find her. तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या हुआ? एवरीवेयर. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डैश वन ऑफ देम हैज़ बीन इन्वाइटेड. ए. ईच. बी. एवरी. सी. मैनी. डी. मच. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. ईच वन ऑफ देम हैज़ बीन इन्वाइटेड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 इज डैश सन इज अबाउट टू सेट. A sun. B. An sun. C. The sun. D. A little. Correct answer is option C. The sun is about to set. द का यूज़ करेंगे हम क्योंकि ये यूनिवर्सल चीज़ है, अद्भुत चीज़ है, यूनिक चीज़ है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 इज डैश ऑफ द पीपल हु केम हैव लेफ्ट. ए. मोस्ट. बी. मैनी. सी. एवरी. D. Each. Correct answer is option A. Most of the people who came have left. Question number 22 is we need to do dash of work before the event starts. A. Much. B. A lot. C. More. D. Some. Correct answer is option B. A lot. A lot of work. We need to do a lot of work before the event starts. इवेंट स्टार्ट होने से पहले हमें a lot of work जो है वो करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23 इज देयर आर डैश मैसेजेस फॉर यू. ए. नन. बी. नो. सी. मच. डी. लिटिल. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज नो. There are no messages for you. Okay. Question number 24 is dash people who migrated here died in the floods. A few people who migrated here died in the floods. B. Few people who migrated here died in the floods. C. The few people who migrated here died in the floods. D. Many people who migrated here died in the floods. Correct answer is option A. A few people who migrated here died in the floods. Question number 25 is not dash is known about these legends. Little, B. All, C. Many, D. Much. Correct answer is option D. That is much. Not much is known about these legends. Correct answer is option D. That is much. Question number 26 is there is not dash space for others here. A. Some, B. Enough, C. Many, D. Little. Correct answer is option B. That is enough. There is not enough space for others here. Question number 27 is there dash at the door? A. Nobody, B. Somebody, C. Someone, D. Everybody. Correct answer is option C. That is someone. Is there someone at the door? Question number 28 is dash Shatabdi Express will arrive at 8 o'clock. A. B. Any, C. Some, D. The. Correct answer is option D. The Shatabdi Express will arrive at 8 o'clock. शताब्दी एक्सप्रेस एक स्पेसिफिक ट्रेन का नाम है, इसलिए यहाँ पर द का यूज़ किया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 इज इट इज़ डैश heirloom of the family. A. B. An, C. Some, D. None. Correct answer is option B. That is an. It is an heirloom of the family. H से स्टार्ट होने के बावजूद भी ये वर्ड जो है वोवल की साउंड दे रहा है heirloom, तो इसलिए हमने an का यूज़ किया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. He will be there in dash hour. A. The, B. An, C. A, D. To. Correct answer is option B. An. He will be there in an hour. H-O-U-R. We speak, its pronunciation is hour. वोवल की साउंड आ रही है, हमने एन का यूज़ किया है. Question number 31 is he teaches us dash biology. A. The biology, B. A biology, C. An biology, D. None of the above. Correct answer is option D. None of the above. किसी भी सब्जेक्ट के नाम के आगे हम A and the articles का यूज़ नहीं करते. Question number 32 is dash left a letter for you at the gate. A. Somebody, B. None, C. Everybody, D. Anybody. Correct answer is option A. Somebody left a letter for you at the gate. Question number 33 is she is dash most intelligent in the class. A. A most intelligent, B. The most intelligent, C. Much most intelligent, D. None of the above. Correct answer is option B. The most intelligent. She is the most intelligent in the class. द का यूज़ करते हैं हम सुपरलेटिव डिग्री के साथ, तो हमने यहाँ द का यूज़ किया है. Question number 34 is he does not have dash friends. A. Much friends, B. More friends, C. Many friends, D. All friends. Correct answer is option C. Many friends. He does not have many friends. Question number 35 is dash of the helpers is available. No, B. Any. C. Some. D. None. Correct answer is option D. That is none. फिर से एक्सप्लेन करते हैं हम आपको. None of the helpers is available. कोई भी हेल्पर वहाँ पर अवेलेबल नहीं है. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी नन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 36 इज शी हैज़ ईटन डैश द चॉकलेट्स इन द बॉक्स. ए ईच. बी एवरी. सी ऑल द चॉकलेट्स इन द बॉक्स. डी नन. Correct answer is option C, that is all the chocolates in the box. She has eaten all the chocolates in the box. Question number 37 is dash of the teachers are absent today. A. Every of the teachers. B. Some of the teachers. C. Both of the teachers. D. Little of the teachers. Correct answer is option B, that is some of the teachers are absent today. Question number 38 is I would like dash cup of coffee. A. A cup of coffee. B. The cup of coffee. C. Some cup of coffee. D. Little cup of coffee. Correct answer is option A. I would like a cup of coffee. Question number 39 is I saw dash old woman near the door. A. A old woman. B. Any old woman. C. An old woman. D. All old women. Correct answer is option C. An old woman near the door. I saw an old woman near the door. Question number 40 is do you have dash rice left? A. Little. B. Few rice. C. A few rice. D. Any few rice. Correct answer is option D. Any rice. Do you have any rice left? Question number 41 is it seems that dash the rooms are occupied. A. Every. B. All the rooms. C. Each the rooms. D. Enough the rooms. Correct answer is option B, all the rooms. It seems that all the rooms are occupied. Question number 42 is dash principal is looking for you. A. The principal is looking for you. B. A principal is looking for you. C. An principal is looking for you. D. Some principal is looking for you. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, द प्रिंसिपल इज़ लुकिंग फॉर यू. एक पोस्ट के लिए द का यूज़ किया जाता है. द प्रिंसिपल, द चीफ मिनिस्टर, द प्राइम मिनिस्टर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 43 इज डैश मैन इज़ इमॉर्टल. नन. नन मैन इज़ इमॉर्टल. ऑल मैन इज़ इमॉर्टल. सम मैन इज़ इमॉर्टल. नो मैन इज़ इमॉर्टल. Correct answer is option D. No man is immortal. Question number 44 is Charles Babbage is known as father of computers. A. Father of computers. The father of computers. Any father of computers. Some father of computers. Correct answer is option B. Charles Babbage is known as the father of computers. Question number 45 is I have never read dash monthly magazine of TOI. The monthly magazine, a monthly magazine, any monthly magazine, every monthly magazine. Correct answer is option A. I have never read the monthly magazine of TOI. Question number 46 is dash of the two documents were updated. No of the two documents, none of the two documents, neither of the two documents, some of the two documents were updated. Correct answer is option C. Neither of the two documents were updated. Question number 47 is I have dash relatives. A. Much relatives. B. More relatives. C. All relatives. D. Many relatives. Correct answer is option D. I have many relatives. Question number 48 is he has dash experience than his brother. A. Many. B. More. C. Much. D. Some. Correct answer is option B, that is more. I explain you again. He has more experience than his brother. उसके पास उसके भाई से ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है. Question number 49 is can I borrow many fruits, some fruits, much fruits, few fruits? Correct answer is option B, some fruits. रिक्वेस्ट है इसलिए हमने यहाँ पर सम का यूज़ किया है इंटरोगेटिव में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 50 इज़ डैश ऑफ अस न्यू अबाउट द मिस हैपनिंग्स. ए. नन. बी. समबडी. C. Anybody. D. No. Correct answer is option A, that is none of us knew about the mishappening. Question number 51 is who spilled dash tea on the floor? A. Much tea on the floor. B. A tea on the floor. C. Few tea on the floor. D. The tea on the floor. Correct answer is option D, that is the. Who spilled the tea on the floor? Okay. Next question is I have bought dash new books to read. A. Much. B. Every. C. Some. D. All. Correct answer is option C, that is some. I have bought some new books to read. Question number 53 is dash driver is waiting for us. Options are an, the, some, any. Correct answer is option B, the driver is waiting for us. Next question is dash people were injured that night. A. Several people. B. Much people. C. Little people. D. Enough people. Correct answer is option A. Several people were injured that night. कि बहुत से या कई लोग जो हैं वो उस रात को इंजर्ड हुए थे. पीपल काउंटेबल नाउन है इसलिए हमने सेवरल का यूज़ किया है. मच, लिटिल और इनफ जो हैं ये अनकाउंटेबल नाउन के लिए यूज़ करते हैं हम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 55 इज़ he does not know how to use dash smartphone. A. The. B. An. C. Some. D. A. Correct answer is option D. He does not know how to use a smartphone. Question number 56 is she is dash more clever than we know. A. Some more clever. B. Many more clever. C. A lot more clever. D. None. Correct answer is option C. She is a lot more clever than we know. Question number 57 is there is hardly dash work left for you. Much. B. Any. C. All. D. Enough. Correct answer is option B, that is any. There is hardly any work left for us. Hardly और scarcely के साथ हम any का यूज़ करते हैं. ओके. एडजेक्टिव में भी हम लोगों ने ये चीज़ डिस्कस की थी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 58 इज़ द एग्स आर इन द बास्केट. मच, नन, ऑल, मैनी. Correct answer is option C, that is all. All the eggs are in the basket. Correct answer is Option C, that is all. Question number 59 is, he is dash university student. An university student, the university student, any university student, a university student. Correct answer is option D, that is A. He is a university student. Question number 60 is, that was dash awful situation to be in. A, an awful situation. B, the awful situation. C, a awful situation. D, much awful situation. Correct answer is option A, that is an. That was an awful situation to be in. Question number 61 is, mathematics is dash difficult subject to study. An difficult subject, a difficult subject, the difficult subject, little difficult subject. Correct answer is option B, that is A. Mathematics is a difficult subject to study. Question number 62 is there dash that you would like to share? A, everything. B, anything. C, enough. D, much. Correct answer is option B. Is there anything that you would like to share? क्या कुछ है जो तुम शेयर करना चाहते हो? Question number 63 is, though Chinese is a difficult language, dash students opted for it. Options are much, more, many, few. Correct answer is option C, that is many. Though Chinese is a difficult subject, many students opted for it. Correct answer is option C. Question number 64 is, dash of them were chosen to be captain. A, some of them. B, much of them. C, little of them. D, none of them. Correct answer is option D. None of them were chosen to be captain. Question number 65 is, dash black car is parked in front of your gate. A, the black car. B, a black car. C, an black car. D, any black car. Correct answer is option B, that is A. A black car is parked in front of your gate. Question number 66 is, dash English is widely spoken around the world. A, the English. B, an English. C, a English. D, none of the above. Correct answer is option D, none of the above. किसी भी लैंग्वेज के आगे हम आर्टिकल का यूज़ नहीं करते. Question number 67 is, dash wealthy should be generous. A, B, an. C, the. D, some. Correct answer is option C, that is the wealthy should be generous. अमीरों को उदार होना चाहिए, यानी कि सारे अमीरों को, पूरी वेल्थी कास्ट के लिए आया ना ये. Question number 68 is, it looks like I have seen you dash. ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने तुम्हें देखा है. A, somewhere, कहीं पर. B, anywhere. C, nowhere. D, everywhere. Correct answer is option A, that is somewhere. I explain it again. It looks like I have seen you somewhere. ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने तुम्हें पहले कहीं देखा है. Question number 69 is, can I have dash bowl of soup? A, more bowl of soup. B, another bowl of soup. C, enough bowl of soup. D, little bowl of soup. Correct answer is option B, that is another. Can I have another bowl of soup? Another मतलब दूसरा, एक और, extra. Question number 70 is the exam is compulsory for dash students. Several students, many students, for much students, for all students. Correct answer is option D. Yes, the exam is compulsory for all students. Question number 71 is I don't like dash of them. A. Neither of them. B. Both of them. C. Either of them. D. Much of them. Correct answer is option C. Either of them. नेदर क्यों नहीं लगाया? क्योंकि नेदर खुद भी तो नेगेटिव का सेंस देता है और हमने आई डोंट लगाया है, इसलिए एदर का यूज़ किया है. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 72 is dash left? Is few left? Is many left? Is several left? Is anyone left? क्या कोई बचा है? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी. इज एनीवन लेफ्ट? क्या कोई बचा है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 73 इज डैश हैज़ बीन लुकिंग फॉर यू. ए. एवरीवन हैज़ बीन लुकिंग फॉर यू. बी. एनीवन हैज़ बीन लुकिंग फॉर यू. C. Several has been looking for you. D. A few has been looking for you. Correct answer is option A. Everyone has been looking for you. Question number 74 is there are not dash students in the class. There are not much students in the class. There are not some students in the class. There are not many students in the class. There are not most students in the class. Correct answer is option C. There are not many students in the class. Question number 75 is dash of my colleagues are going on the trip. A. No of. B. None of. C. Neither of. D. Either of. Correct answer is option B. None of my colleagues are going on the trip. मेरे कलीग्स में से कोई भी नहीं जा रहा ट्रिप पर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 76 इज डैश एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ इज ऑफ नो यूज़. ए. सम एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ योर्स इज ऑफ नो यूज़. बी. द फ्यू एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ योर्स इज ऑफ नो यूज़. सी. द लिटिल एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ योर्स इज ऑफ नो यूज़. डी. अ लिटिल एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ योर्स इज ऑफ नो यूज़. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. द लिटिल एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ योर्स इज़ ऑफ नो यूज़. कि थोड़ा सा नॉलेज जो भी तुम्हारे पास है, जितना भी थोड़ा सा है ना, इज़ ऑफ नो यूज़, वो किसी काम का नहीं है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 77 इज ओनली डैश टॉयज हैव बीन सोल्ड सिंस मॉर्निंग. ए. फ्यू टॉयज. बी. अ फ्यू टॉयज. सी. लिटिल टॉयज. डी. द फ्यू टॉयज. Correct answer is option B. A few toys have been sold since morning. Question number 78 is dash of their customers complain. Many, much, enough, most. Correct answer is option D. That is most of their customers complain. उनके अधिकतर कस्टमर्स कंप्लेन करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 79 इज आई डोंट हैव डैश टू से. आई डोंट हैव मच टू से. आई डोंट हैव मोस्ट टू से. आई डोंट हैव सम टू से. आई डोंट हैव ऑल टू से. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. आई डोंट हैव मच टू से. मेरे पास कहने के लिए और अधिक नहीं है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 80 इज द पोर बैगर हैड डैश टू गो. The poor beggar had anywhere to go. The poor beggar had somewhere to go. The poor beggar had nowhere to go. The poor beggar had everywhere to go. Correct answer is option C. The poor beggar had nowhere to go. गरीब भिखारी के पास जाने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं था, मतलब कहीं भी जाने के लिए जगह नहीं थी उसके पास. Question number 81 is one of dash books that I borrowed is missing. One of a books one of the books, one of several books, one of many books. Correct answer is option B. One of the books that I borrowed is missing. Question number 82 is fortunately dash of the children were hurt. Few of the children were hurt. Some of the children were hurt. None of the children were hurt. No of the children were hurt. Correct answer is option C. Fortunately, भाग्य से, सौभाग्य से. None of the children were hurt. कोई किसी भी बच्चे को hurt नहीं हुआ. Question number 83 is we can take dash of the roots. Several, no, any, either. Correct answer is option D, that is either. फिर से देखते हैं इस सेंटेंस को. We can take either of the roots. हम दोनों में से कोई भी रूट ले सकते हैं. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, either. Question number 84 is due to his tours, he got to meet dash of people. A lot of people, much of people, little of people, several of people. Correct answer is option A. Due to his tours, he got to meet a lot of people. अपने टूर्स की वजह से वह a lot of people को मिला. Question number 85 is dash of the money we had has been used. Many of the money, all of the money, enough of the money, every of the money. Correct answer is option B, that is all of the money we had. जितने भी धन हमारे पास था has been used. वो यूज़ कर लिया गया है. Question number 86. Dash of the two halves is equal. A. Every of the two halves is equal. B. All of the two halves is equal. C. Each of the two halves is equal. D. None of the above. Correct answer is option C. Each of the two halves is equal. दोनों का जो आधा आधा पार्ट है वो बराबर है. हाफ्स, HALF, हाफ होता है, उसका प्लूरल होता है हाफ्स, HALVES. Question number 87 is dash is waiting in the lobby. A. Anyone is waiting in the lobby. All is waiting in the lobby. Several is waiting in the lobby. Everyone is waiting in the lobby. Correct answer is option D. Everyone is waiting in the lobby. Question number 88 is dash exam copies are still unchecked. A few exam copies, few exam copies, little exam copies, much exam copies. Correct answer is option A. A few exam copies are still unchecked. Question number 89 is dash but one was against the proposal. Everyone, but one was against the proposal. All, but one was against the proposal. None, but one was against the proposal. No, but one was against the proposal. Correct answer is option B. All but one was against the proposal. सभी, लेकिन एक जना इसके प्रपोजल के अगेंस्ट में था. Question number 90 is she has done dash mistake. A. None. She has done none mistake. She has done any mistake. She has done much mistake. She has done no mistake. Correct answer is option D. She has done no mistake. Question number 91 is he is dash early bird. Options are the early bird, a early bird, an early bird, some early bird. Correct answer is option C, that is an early bird. Okay, an. Question number 92 is dash Indus has 5 main tributaries. A. The Indus, B. A Indus. C. An Indus. D. All Indus. Correct answer is option A. That is Indus. Indus is a valley. So we should use the. Question number 93 is dash Taj Hotel is famous worldwide. ताज होटल विश्व भर में प्रसिद्ध है. अ ताज होटल, मैनी ताज होटल, द ताज होटल, ऑल ताज होटल. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज द ताज होटल इज फेमस वर्ल्ड वाइड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 94 इज ताज होटल यहाँ पर क्या है? स्पेसिफिक, एक होटल को स्पेसिफाई किया गया है इसलिए यहाँ पर द का यूज़ किया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 94 इज dash businessman wants to be rich. A. Many businessmen. B. Many a businessmen. C. Most businessmen. D. Enough businessmen. Correct answer is option B. Many a businessmen want to be rich. Question number 95 is event is scheduled according to the plan. Each event, several event, all event, every event. Correct answer is option D, that is every event is scheduled according to the plan. Question number 96 is he has dash evidence to prove his innocence. Many, all, either, enough. Correct answer is option D, enough. He has enough evidence to prove his innocence. Correct answer is option D. Question number 97 is dash orchestra band that you called has arrived. A. An orchestra band. B. A orchestra band. C. The orchestra band. D. Some orchestra band. Correct answer is option C. द ऑर्केस्ट्रा बैंड दैट यू कॉल्ड, यहाँ पर स्पेसिफाई किया गया है कि कौन सा ऑर्केस्ट्रा बैंड, वह ऑर्केस्ट्रा बैंड जिसे तुमने बुलाया था वो आ गया है, इसलिए यहाँ पर एन का यूज़ नहीं किया, द का यूज़ किया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 98 इज ही इज़ डैश हेड ऑफ द फैमिली. ही इज़ द हेड ऑफ द फैमिली. ही इज़ अ हेड ऑफ द फैमिली. He is either head of the family. He is all head of the family. Correct answer is option A, that is the. He is the head of the family. Question number 99 is dash is known about her achievements. A. Few. B. Little. C. A little. D. None. Correct answer is ऑप्शन बी, लिटिल इज़ नोन अबाउट हर अचीवमेंट्स. थोड़ा सा जानते हैं उसकी अचीवमेंट्स के बारे में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 100, दिस इज़ आवर लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस क्लास. बच्चों आपने एंजॉय किया होगा इस क्लास को और बहुत कुछ सीखने को भी मिला होगा, कुछ कन्फ्यूजन्स भी दूर हुए होंगे. ओके, लास्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं हम. दे हैव ऑलवेज हेल्प्ड डैश. दे हैव ऑलवेज हेल्प्ड another. They have always helped several. They have always helped all. They have always helped each other. Correct answer is option D. They have always helped each other. उन्होंने हमेशा एक दूसरे की हेल्प की है. थैंक यू.